In this video, I'll explain what a library database is, and I'll explain this Databases A through Z link on the library website. First off, a library database is an electronic collection of materials. This can be things like streaming media, ebooks, scholarly journal articles, magazine articles, newspaper articles, and more. When you're first starting out with your research, I recommend that you start out in Search UW, so searching in the search box here. This is because Search UW automatically searches most of our databases at once for you, so you get a lot more results that way. However, once you get into a specific research area, or you have a very specific topic, that's when you can go out to the individual databases. I'll click here on Databases A through Z. You can see that UW River Falls Library subscribes to 136 databases. You can narrow these down by subject, and sometimes we'll have this bets here. These are the recommended databases that you search in first. And then usually after that will be some listed that are some other more specialty databases that might work depending upon what your topic is. From here you can just click on the individual database and search in there. Or if you need a specific type of resource, such as a newspaper article, you can go down here to our newspapers and search in our newspaper databases. So that's a quick introduction to library databases and our database A through Z list. If you need any help, please remember to ask a librarian.